A very warm welcome to all our viewers who have tuned into our video today. This is Samiksha Chauhan reporting live from Amolak Public News. As we near the year end 2021, it's our duty to showcase the stupendous year we have had at Amolak. Let us now start with the month of June as our students, even when on vacation, participated wholeheartedly in a live session organized to learn more about our country's rich and varied culture. As students also participated in various live sessions of art and craft organized to make their holidays colorful. A virtual celebration of International Yoga Day on 21st June took the Amolak family on a peaceful journey to discover themselves. While the tiny tots made lovely cards for their fathers to celebrate Father's Day. With the onset of month of July, as our students geared up to start their academic session once again, the staff geared up to welcome the students to the school after a long COVID phase. July began with Fun Food Day celebrations and mango, the king of fruits, was chosen. A virtual parent-teacher meeting was organized on 10th of July to have a heart-to-heart report of the students to their parents. A best of waste activity was given to the students to bring their imagination and innovative ideas to reality. This was followed by a fun with dots activity for the toddlers to develop their motor skills. Following was brown colored day celebrations by kindergarten kids to marvel about the colors of earth, wood and stones. The month ended on a patriotic note as class 9 geared up to commemorate Kargil Divas on 26 July through a beautiful and informative virtual assembly under their supervision of their class teacher.
The month of August started with a flavor of country love, freedom and patriotism as on 7th August, Little Amolikans participated in a flag coloring activity. A very warm and happy celebration took place on 11th of August for Tej, where our teachers sat on flowery decorated swings and got together to feel the warmth of the festival. Independence Day, as its significance, the day was celebrated at multiple levels in Amolak Public School, where the little Amolikans dressed up as young freedom fighters. The young senior school participated in Azadi Ka Mahotsav with a speech and song on Azadi. This was followed by an inter-school poetry competition which was organized by APS virtually to celebrate the 75th anniversary of our independence. The auspicious festival of Raksha Bandhan was celebrated both virtually and campus too, with a fun Rakhi making competition and thali decoration competition. An informative parent-teacher meet concluded the academic month of August on 28th. But the festivals were yet to be concluded. The most fun festival of Janmashtami was celebrated by both the junior and senior wings with the fancy dresses, dances and songs of praise of Lord Krishna.
Go. The month of September began with the notion of cleanliness is next to godliness. A class cleanliness competition come drive was organized and winners were applauded on 1st of September. Along with an activity on 11th of September for the tiny tots to instill the principle of cleanliness. A heart-touching celebrations of Teachers' Day made our teachers ecstatic, where the students gave them an emotional tribute, dressed as them and managed the school for a day. A special assembly was conducted to allot to the students special charges to encourage them to take initiative. On 14th of September, Amolak Public School celebrated Hindi Divas for the promotion and upliftment of our beloved mother tongue, where students recited poems and gave a speech in Hindi. The majestic color black was celebrated on 16th September by the kindergarteners to appreciate the hues and tints of the colors. September ended on a very peaceful note with Amolak family observing International Day of Peace on 21st September, raising the appeal for maintaining peace and harmony in the world.